So today's video is going to be taking a look at the money piece highlight trend. Now this is one of my favorite trends at the moment. I absolutely love the idea of coloring your bangs a different color than the rest of your head. I just think it looks absolutely amazing. So we're going to be checking out a few ladies that have made that transformation. So here is someone with a very stark contrast. She has purple and blonde going on with this hair coloring. The purple in the back is just kind of like a pop of color. And I will be doing a full video featuring some of the hottest color combinations that I'm seeing these days, because I feel as if when it comes to color, we are really just branching out, having some fun, and we are no longer staying in a box. We are definitely having fun experimenting with color. And I think a lot of it honestly has to do with TikTok. Like, there are just so many different inspiring ways that you can do your hair nowadays. And I absolutely love this trend. So this person is heading to the salon. So she did more of like a subtle variation with that. That's a great option if you want to keep things kind of simple, but still get in on the trend. And then we have someone else at the salon getting it done. So she did quite a like subtle variation too. She just did like a pop of brown. Yes, now this is definitely more bold with the blonde and the brunette in the back. And then she also went a little bit more bold with the blonde and the black. That's probably my favorite way that I'm seeing this trend. Well, you know what? I take that back. I like seeing it with a pop of color, like the pink and the purple. So much fun. So you can try this trend out yourself, or you can be smart and head to the salon. If you don't know what you're doing, definitely head to the salon. Don't try to do this yourself if you don't know what you're doing. So this person is having their friend do it. So they bleach the hair. And then, ooh, very pretty variation. And then we have someone else at the salon getting it professionally done. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the hottest hair and fashion beauty trends. So it looks like she went, it almost looks like a mint green that she got there. It's kind of hard to tell with the lighting. Oh, yes, I love it. I love when I see the bold contrast within this trend. Here's another bold variation. She has more of that blondish shade mixed with the black. And then that was a very subtle variation. So she's gonna get copper and strawberry blonde. Oh no, she just did blonde. Why did it say? Maybe I read it wrong, I don't know. But she definitely got a subtle version. And then there's more of that bold color. Oh, she got micro links too. And she just got her very small portion of her bangs in the front done. Now this is the copper mixed with the blonde. Yes. I love it. Then she has the pop of green going in the front. I love the pops of color, so bold and fresh, very modern. Yes, I love the pinks, so pretty. Alright you guys, so let me know in the comments below, what are you thinking of this trend? Is it something that you have tried or would try? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.